Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for May 6 to 12, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ng ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services kapag nagpabook kayo from May 2 to 15, 2024. Yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment, pakicheck nyo na lang. Okay, Capricorn, what's up with you this week, Capricorn? You have Sun in Aries in the 2nd house. Okay. 2nd house is about your finances, your money. So, having the Sun there, so ibig sabihin, iliwanag, illumination. So, maaring magiging malinaw sa'yo yung mga priorities mo pagdating sa iyong sources of income. Maaring may realizations ka of kung paano mo i-handle ng maayos yung iyong finances. Yung iba naman, meron kayong matutuklasan na talento, no? Or maaring bagong skill set, bagong skills na pwede nyong i-improve para maging source of income. The Sun is also about power, energy. So, pagdating sa lakas ninyo, no? Marami kayong lakas para i-fulfill yung inyong career, yung inyong trabaho, yung sources of income ninyo. Okay, let's see what else. So, pwedeng meron rin kayong bagong properties. Merong property na bibilhin, bahay, lupa, sasakyan. Or mag-i-invest kayo sa inyong skills. Which is more important, investing on your skills. Kasi nobody can take that away from you. Let's see your overall energy, Capricorn. The 3 of Wands. So, you are expanding your horizon. Expansion to growth. So, you are growing, you are expanding. So, if this is career, maaring mas maraming opportunities sa'yo sa trabaho mo ngayon. Some of you abroad, no? Ibang country. Maaring you are adding new sources of income, bagong mapagkakakitaan. Ace of Cups, new opportunities in love. Yung iba, pwedeng long distance, yung relationship. Maaring meron kayong makikilalang bagong person na merong potential na maging karelasyon nyo. Source of happiness. Some of you naman, I'm seeing a baby. Parang baka may magkaka-baby sa inyo. Oo. Kasi expansion yan So, pag-expand ng family mo. Yan. Someone is inspiring you. Your challenge is the 6 of Cups and the Justice card. So, maaring yung iba, hindi pa kayo nakaka-move on from your past. You feel like meron pa kayong kailangang ayusin or kailangang mangyari doon sa past na yon para maka-move on ka. Alam mo yung paghihigante. Oo. Or parang you feel like kailangan ganito muna yung mangyari sa kanya para maka-move on na ako kasi feeling ko nakuha ko na yung justice ko. Halimbawa, may nanloko sa'yo na partner mo in the past. Tapos, gusto mo na ganun din yung mangyari sa kanya, may manloko rin sa kanya. Hindi ka makaka-move on hanggat hindi nangyayari yon. So, challenge mo yan na to let go of your past. Kung ano man yan, whether nakaganti ka man sa kanya o hindi, na kinarma man siya o hindi, ang importante is how you want to see yourself in the future as a brand new you. No? Walang bitterness. Oo. Let's see your opportunity. Okay. Opportunity, 9 of Wands. Maraming trabaho. Maraming kailangang asikasuhin. Oh, 'di ba? Gulong-gulo na kayo. But this is an opportunity for you na ipakita mo yung galing mo, yung resourcefulness mo, kung paano mo i-handle or i-manage yung iyong nasasakupan. Let's say, isa kang leader, manager. Maaring mas bibigyan ka pa ng maraming responsibilities. So, dun mo patutunayan kung gaano ka kagaling mag-manage ng oras mo. Or maaring may mga opportunities ahead of you, pero kailangan mo yan na i-priority lahat. Gawing priority, i-prioritize lahat. So, ito yung time na pwede mong, may opportunity ka na patunayan mo yung galing mo. Like, show them what you got. Let's see your blessing. Wow, the Star. 4 of Swords. Healing, oo. Paghilom. So, pwedeng healing your finances. Kung meron kang mga financial challenges in the past, unti-unti, nakakaraos, nakakabangon ka na, nababalance mo na yung cash flow mo. Yung iba naman, physical healing. Kung kayo ay nagkasakit in the past, can be physical, emotional, mental, stress. Ayan, so you have the blessing of healing from that. And yung iba sa inyo, may opportunity rin kayo na makapag-relax, makapag-bakasyon, to go somewhere peaceful, na mas magkakaroon ka ng panahon para makapag-relax, makapag-distress, makapagtanggal ng nega energies, to ground yourself. And alam nyo, the moment na makapag-distress ka, maklear mo yung mind mo, mas maraming bagong information ka na maa-absorb, maraming messages na magka-come through, no? Na marireceive ka from the divine. Like, ito pala yung dapat kong gawin. Yung mga clarity, no? So, you have prosperity, good catch, abundance. You also have believing in the impossible. Uy, merong happily ever after. So, pwede rin tong romantic connection with someone. Maaring, yung iba you are already dealing with your soulmate. So, good catch yung person mo na yan. And you will be together for a long time. Yung iba naman, meron kayong, kumbaga parang naka-jackpot ka sa isang opportunity. Let's say, business. Sinubukan mo yung certain business na ito and then, biglang boom, ayan, dun ka sinuwerte. Ease, ibig sabihin, madali lang. Today, I allow life to be easy. Yes. So, inaalaw mo raw na maging madali lang sa'yo yung pag-manage mo ng everyday life mo. Kasi kung yung iba kino-complicate, ini-stress nila yung sarili nila sa mga bagay na hindi pa nangyayari. Oo. Feelings. Healing, may healing na naman. Healing begins with feeling. Be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. Siyempre, to heal, kailangan open ka rin for healing kasi hindi yan magsisimula kung sarado yung puso mo. So, it's time for you to reassess, accept your faults, na may mga pagkakamali ka rin, pagkukulang ka rin, and syempre patawarin mo rin yung sarili mo doon sa pagkakamali at pagkukulang mo. And also the people na nagbigay sa'yo ng pain in the past. And from there, mas gagaan yung pakiramdam mo. Mas magiging madali na sa'yo na ipagpatuloy ang iyong pangarap, yung mga nasimulan mo. Kasi some of you may mga disappointments kayo in the past na feeling nyo, hindi nyo dinideserve yon na ma-experience. And now, you finally realize that, kailangan lang pala na na i-let go yung mga bagay na hindi nyo na kontrolado. Ang kaya nyo lang makontrol, sarili ninyo. So, you have to take back your power. You have to be in control of your feelings, of yourself. Kasi yun lang yung talagang pwede mong masabi na you can have power over yourself. Huwag mong hayaan na yung ibang tao ang mas may power sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? Na mas may control sila kaysa sa'yo. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!